Hello and welcome to Ultra Blue channel. In this video, I'll show you how to solve all DirectX-related errors in games and other programs. Make sure to watch the entire video before attempting to fix the issue to avoid common mistakes. 1. Click the link in the video description to go directly to the Microsoft DirectX page. 2. Select your preferred language and hit Download. 3. Open the downloaded program and start the installation. Ensure you stay connected to the internet during this process. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. By following these steps, you can resolve all DirectX-related problems. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and help with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.